Right. Everyone see what is the last class we have to be in. Last class what? So we have to discuss the points. One time recollect that points. I'm going to. So one time you can see in last class. So power off of the power we can do, but the problem is the long procedure in PU substitution method. Already I will tell, but in this method is the very simple. I'm going to discuss today. So once again, one of the problem. So root over 1 minus x power of 6 plus root over 1 minus y power of 6 is equal to half. This half power is the a cube into its half power is the x cube minus half power is the y cube. Then dy by dx is, then dy by dx is, then dy by dx is, then dy by dx is. Everyone see this problem is, first we have to do this problem by the PU method is the long procedure. We are going to take what is the x cube is equal to sine alpha. First we have to PU method is, let x cube is equal to sine alpha and y cube is equal to, and y cube is equal to sine beta. Then it will become as a root over 1 minus x cube whole square plus root over 1 minus y cube whole square is equal to a cube. X cube means sine alpha minus y cube means sine beta. Y cube means sine beta. X cube place is write down root over 1 minus sine square alpha. X cube is the sine alpha with square 1 minus x y cube is the sine beta. We have the square sine square beta is equal to a cube sin c minus sin d 2 cos of c plus d by 2 sin of c minus d by 2. Right, here is, this is the cos alpha plus this is the cos beta is equal to a cube 2a cube cos of alpha plus beta by 2 sine of alpha minus beta by 2. Okay, na? So now write down 2 cos of alpha plus beta by 2 cos of alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to 2a cube cos of alpha plus beta by 2 into sine of alpha minus beta by 2. Okay, na? So here is the 2 cancel. One more cos alpha plus beta by 2 cancel. What is the remaining is cos by sine is cot of alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to a cube. Okay, na? Cot bring on the left hand side. So alpha minus beta by 2. Cot comes on the right hand side. It will become as a cot inverse of a cube. Next, write down alpha minus beta 2 cross multiplication 2 cot inverse of a cube. Okay, na? So cos, so sine alpha means here is the alpha is equal to sine inverse of x cube minus cos inverse sine inverse of y cube is equal to totally the 2 cot inverse of a cube. Now apply the derivative. Now apply the derivative. Sine inverse, no single term. After standard form of sine inverse, there is no single x term. Immediately chain rule. After standard form, immediately chain rule is required. Required means no single term is chain rule. So sine inverse derivative is 1 by root over 1 minus x cube, x place is the x cube square by the chain rule, no single term of x cube minus sine inverse is the root over 1 minus y place is the y cube whole square, no single term, therefore derivative of y cube with respect to x. Right side is the cot 2 cot inverse a cube is a constant, derivative is 0. Okay na? Now write down simplification, we get the answer. I will write here is the, so see 3x square 3x square by root over 1 minus x power of 6 minus 3y square, y follow the x rules, dy by dx by root over 1 minus y power of 6 is equal to 0. Okay, na? Now write down the final answer I am going to write. Everyone see final answer I am going to write. PU model is completed. The same PU model I am going to work out in the J objective CET model is a very objective model is a very simple. Within the second, what answer we get, that answer we can be represent immediately. We can see. Right. I will write answer is everyone see. Right. 3x square by root over 1 minus x power of 6 is equal to 3y square dy by dx by root over 1 minus y square. Okay, na? 3 cancel. Now write down the answer is the dy by dx. It comes upside. Okay, na? It comes up here. I am writing the answer is root x square into root over 1 minus y square by the cross multiplication. Okay, na? This also cross multiplication by y square into root over 1 minus x power of 6 is equal to dy by dx. Okay, na? The same answer I am going to work out by the short method. We can see by the same answer we can get by this objective method. So no doubt about it. So now we can see what is the formula I am going to tell. So what is the process we are going to tell. So now x by first we are going to write formula is the, so dy by dx is objective type, dy by dx is equal to, so here what we are going to write, half power we should be write x by y half power 3 minus 1 into root over y term, root of y 1 power 6 by root of 1 minus x power of 6. Therefore, x by y whole square, root over 1 minus y power of 6 by root over 1 minus x power of 6. Only one line, we get the answer. Okay, na? This method also I will completed last class. Okay, na? What we have to discuss this method once again, I will recollect. Same answer we can get. We get the same answer. Okay, na? So now I go through the next model, differentiation of infinite series. Infinite series is given. Then how can you do this problem is, I will see. Derivative of infinite series. Derivative of infinite series, infinite series, infinite series, derivative of infinite series, right? Derivative of infinite series. Everyone see, y is equal to, first problem, y is equal to, first problem, y is equal to. So what they are going to give an root x, power is the root x, power is the root x up to infinite terms. Then dy by dx is, then dy by dx is. Simple. Power is the variable, simply we take log. That is the already we know that. So x power of x, y power of y. Power is the variable, take the log on both sides. Log y is equal to log of root x. Power is the root x, power is the root x up to infinite term. So in logarithm of m power of n comes before log m. Okay, na? So this power, first term power comes before log y is equal to root x, power is the root x, power is the root x up to infinite term. Log of one term is remaining, root x. This is the same y only. What is the given y? See, same y only. Log y is equal to y into root x, power is the 1 by 2. It comes before 1 by 2 log x. Now apply the derivative. So d by dx of log y is equal to 1 by 2 into d by dx of y into log x, y into log x. Okay, na? Log, first standard formula is the log of immediately single y. Just no need to chain rule. It's dy by dx, write down. 1 by y, just dy by dx is write down because of y following the x rule. 1 by 2 u into v formula ma, derivative of u into v is equal to u silent v dash means derivative of v silent u dash. Now write down v u silent, u place is the y silent, derivative of log x. Okay, na? Plus log x silent, derivative of y only. Okay, na? Derivative of y only. Now cross multiplication, dy by dx is equal to y into 1 by 2. Here is the y, log x standard formula 1 by x, log x, y follow the x rule, log x, y follow the x rule, y follow the x rules. So log x into y follow the x rules, that is the dy by dx. Take dy by dx is the common and write down. No need to read any formula, direct. Okay, na? So infinite series methods is clear. One more problem I will write. Okay, na? One more problem I will write. I will do. So right. Everyone see one more problem I am going to do, and next I go through the second problems, and then so in this model I will go through the right. First second problem is y is equal to a power of x, its power is the a power of x, its power is the a power of x up to infinite. Then find dy by dy. Immediately take log. Log y is equal to a power of x, a power up to infinity comes before a power of x, a power of x up to infinity comes before into log of a power of x. Okay, na? This is the y only. Simply write down y. Log y is equal to y into power comes before x log a. Okay, na? Right. Now apply the derivative d by dx of log y is equal to log A is the coefficient into derivative of x into y, u into v formula. Simple, 1 by y. So y follow the x rules, dy by dx is equal to log A into u into x silent, y derivative by x, y silent, x derivative with respect to x, both are cancel, value is 1. Okay, na? dy by dx is equal to y into log A, x into dy by dx plus y is the required answer. Finish. So next problem I will go. Right. Everyone see, if y is equal to root over sin x plus root over sin x plus root over sin x up to infinite terms, then dy by dx is, then dy by dx is, right, then dy by dx is. First, how can you replace root? How can you replace root? By the squaring only. Y square, one first root is cancel, sin x plus root over sin x, again plus root over sin x plus root over sin x up to infinite term, root of sin x plus root of sin x up to infinity term is a y, y square is equal to sin x plus y. Okay, na? Now apply the derivative. 2y into y, follow the x rule, dy by dx. Sin x derivative is the cos x. Y follow the x rules, dy by dx. Right. Take dy by dx is common. 2y minus 1 into dy by dx is equal to cos x. Now dy by dx is equal to, what is the value? Dy by dx is equal to cos x by 2y minus 1. Okay, na? Simple. Right. Now, I will do one more problem. We can see. Very carefully observe one more problem. Right. Everyone see, if y is equal to, root over, carefully observe, x plus root over y plus root over x, alternatives x and y, root over y plus root over x plus root over y up to infinite terms, then dy by dx. One time we can observe. Then dy by dx is alternative is the xy. Before is the same terms, but here is the alternative is the xy terms. Alternative is the xy terms. Okay, na? So then what is the procedure? First squaring apply. Y square is equal to x plus root over y plus root over alternative is the xy. Alternative is the xy. From here only alternative is the xy. From here only alternative is the xy. Okay, na? From here only alternative is the xy. Therefore, this is again y. So y square is equal to x plus root over y. This is the again y. Okay, na? Now we can write down y square minus x y square minus x is equal to root over 2y. Okay, na? Squaring on both sides and then apply the derivative, we get the answer. Y power of 4 plus x square minus 2xy square. This is the 2y, bring on the right side, 2y is equal to 0. So apply the implicit function model, x and y are included. Implicit function model, dy by dx is equal to minus of only x partial derivative, y power of single 0, x derivative is the 2x minus y square is the coefficient, x derivative is the 1, 2y is the constant derivative is the 0. Okay. Y derivative write down, y power of 4, 4y cube, x derivative is the 0, minus 2x is the coefficient, y square derivative is the 2y, minus 2 coefficient, y derivative with respect to y is 1. Right, now write down dy by dx is equal to minus of 2x minus 2y square by denominator is 4y cube minus 4xy minus 2 is a, take 2 is common and simplify. This is the method to work out the problem. Okay, na? Right. Okay. Right. Everyone see the next model. Here is the next model is logarithmic model. Also, we are going to discuss power of. Right. Next model we are going to discuss. So everyone see, power is a variable. Already we have to discuss. The model is completed. So next we have to go through the differentiation of a function with respect to another function. Derivative of function with respect to derivative of function derivative of function with respect to another function. Ending we came only partial fraction model, and then we have to completed means this second derivative model we have to completed means total is the completed. Okay, na? So ending is came. In next class I will conclude total derivative. I go through the 3D. First 3D I will complete. Next I will come to the integration. Okay, na? So derivative of function with respect to another function. Okay, na? So many persons we have 3D. Any doubt? First, I will clarify 3D problem. Next, I go through the integration. Next, differential equation. That's I will up to time permitted. I have to be completed. Okay, na? Right. Everyone see differentiation of a function with respect to another function mean. So find the derivative of see derivative of tan derivative of sin x with respect to log x. First problem. What they are going to tell, I will write first in terms of symbolically. So derivative of sin x. Okay, na? With respect to log x, it is not possible. Okay, na? So derivative of sin x with respect to log x is not possible. That's why we go through the derivative of sin x is possible with respect to x by derivative of log x is possible with respect to x. Okay, na? Now we have the formula sin x derivative is the cos x, log x derivative is the 1 by x. Now finally we can write x cos x is the answer. Okay, na? One more problem I will do. See, derivative of, see, derivative of derivative of derivative of now see, derivative of cos x power of sin x with respect to e power of x. Cos x power of sin x. First write down symbolically. So what is the symbolically? It is represented by derivative of cos x power of sin x with respect to e power of x. Okay, na? Not possible. Immediately write down cos x whole power of sin x by derivative of e power of x with respect to dx. Okay, na? This how can you do? This derivative is needed. This derivative, this is the no problem, e power of x. This is the very simple. I will tell one method we can see. I will tell one method simple. See. Here is, I will write, here is, we can see, this can be written as cos x power of sin x. I am going to represent as, everyone see, e power of, okay na, e power of log of cos x power of sin x. Is it wrong? E and log is cancel, cos x power of sin x only. This comes before, okay na? This comes before, it will become as a e power of sin x into log of cos x. Okay na? Now I will write, see, very simply. So this is e derivative is the same, e power of sin x into log of cos x is the same. Next, power is not a single function, exponential function. Power is not a single, derivative of this one. Sin x into log of cos x. Okay, na? By the chain rule, by denominator derivative e power of x. This can be written as, everyone see. This can be written as, right, see. This is e power of log of cos x power of sin x. Okay, na? U into V formula, sin x silent. Log standard formula is the 1 by cos x. After log standard formula, not a single function, by the chain rule, its derivative is required. Plus log cos x is the silent, derivative of sin x is the cos x. Okay, na? By denominator is the e power of x. Here log and e cancel. So cos x power of sin x. Okay, na? Here is sin x by cos x is the tan x. Cos x derivative is the minus sin x less cos x into log of cos x. Log of cos x by e power of x. Very simply we can do. So no means taking log, confusion, no need. Simple. This can be written as like this one. Okay, now power in logarithm, power comes before. Now apply the derivative. One more problem I will do, you can see. One more problem I will do, you can see. Very simply I will do. No means we get any doubt in this one, take log method. Okay, na? Take log method and find out and then write down. Okay, na? Right. Right. See, the one more problem I will do. We can see derivative of derivative of sin x power of x with respect to log x. See, I will do very simply. So first I will write derivative of sin x power of x. Do with log x, not possible. So derivative of sin x power of x with respect to dx by derivative of log x with respect to x. Right? This problem will see everyone. Sin x power of x without changing the meaning, e power of log sin x power of x. Log and e cancel, sin x power of x only. In logarithm, power comes before, it will become as a e power of x log of sin x only. Now write down. So d by dx of e power of x log of sin x by log x derivative is the 1 by x. Now I will do e function, e power of x derivative is the same, e power of x log sin x, but exponential function power is not a single x, therefore chain rule, d by dx of x log of sin x, denominator is a 1 by x. This can be written as e power of log sin x power of x, u into v formula, x derivative of log sin x plus log sin x